What's up everybody, Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today we're going to go ahead and review a very popular product on Amazon that has active noise canceling. It is the Amazon echobuds 2. Now the echobuds 2 typically sell for about $129 to $139. Right now on Black Friday special you could get these for half off. They're 50% off. I'm excited to review these because they have dynamic audio, active noise cancellation. The case on them looks really nice. They overall look small and like they could fit in your ear. I am excited to try these out, compare them to say the Apple AirPods Pro or some of the other earbuds I've reviewed on this channel. And in this video, we're gonna go ahead, unbox these and review them. And I'll give you my thoughts on the sound quality as well as the fit. So before I get into this video, unbox the echobuds 2 and do the review, I remind you guys to please do us the biggest favor by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel if you have not done so already. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the echobuds 2 case is pretty nice. It's a solid cardboard here. And obviously it says Alexa's included, active noise canceling. You have wireless charging case, Bluetooth sweat resistant on the box. Obviously it pairs with both the iPhone or the iOS and the Android platforms. You could talk to Alexa through these, which you could do with any earbuds as long as you have the Alexa app, but these are integrated a bit more. And this is the black color case edition. They also come in white, and I like these. Now, one note here is up to 5 hours of music playtime per charge and 15 hours with the wireless case. So that's a total of 20 hours. And they advertise that a 15-minute charge can give you another 2 hours of music. So there's a strip here that we're gonna go ahead and remove. It's a little hard to get to. So it's almost like kind of like a sticker versus a strip that you see on Apple. So it's a little tough. There you go, finally got to it, and you peel it. So hopefully that opens it up. There it is. And this is how they look. So once you get the strip off, you download the Alexa app, open the case, and wait for the blue light, okay? So it comes with Hello earbuds, and this talks about how the tip sizes should fit. So you try on all these sizes, the rubber cups just pop off. Again, these have noise canceling, which is great, especially with the discount for the price. It's a tap to play or tap to control, single tap, double tap, triple tap, and long hold. So play pause, next track is a double tap, previous track is a 3 tap, very similar as to all the others. These do work wirelessly for charging. You could get a wireless charge pad as well, or use any wireless charge pad out there with a QI certified wireless charging mat that is sold separately. So that's pretty much it on here. Things to try. This is what kind of makes it a little bit better. Enjoy your favorite audio music. Alexa, play today's hits. Stay up to date with news. You could ask Alexa anything. Sometimes I use Alexa. It's pretty cool. Important information. This is warranty stuff. We're not going to go into it. Let's see how this looks and feels. So first impression, they are kind of heavy. I love this pull tab. Apple is notorious for having this, and Samsung's implementing it and all the other brands. But the case is a solid matte black. I actually like it. It's a little bit more elongated. If we look at this compared to, say, AirPods 2, you could tell that the AirPods 2 are much thinner. However, the case is pretty nice on the echobuds. I also like the matte black finish of the case here. It looks really neat. The lid is pretty substantial or heavy. You got a big left and right, but I will say that these are much bigger than I expected in terms of size of, I guess, the drum or earbud itself. So these look pretty hefty. They're also matte black with magnets. They do pop into place like that in comparison to the AirPods. I guess they're about the same length. They just look girthier because they are all the way around thick. So that's my first impressions, of course. Now let's see what else is included inside the box. Inside the box, you also have the fit kit, which is what they advertise for the additional rubber earbuds. I guess there's different sizes, and there's even some over the ear, I guess, cups as well for it here. So then you get your charging cable, pretty good length. That's one thing I like about the echobuds, is they actually give you a good length cable. It's a USB-C to a standard USB, but the length is really lengthy. A lot of these companies, when they give you the earbuds, they don't give you a long cable at all. So I appreciate a longer cable in case you need to charge them by the nightstand, etc. But again, these are kind of big in comparison inside. I did not expect opening them up and seeing them this big. So that is to me a little bit bigger. All right, let's pair these up and let's see how they sound, because that's the most important part, okay? We're gonna go ahead and pair them, and we're gonna make a phone call as well and see if they're quality or they're junk. You know, we'll take a look here and pair them up. So as you see here, the echobuds popped up right here. So all I do is connect them, and they are now connected. It's that simple. Once I pop them in, first impression, you gotta go to the Alexa app to finish the setup. And we're gonna go ahead and do that, but they are not paired yet. So you need to pair them, and now they're connected. And then I'm gonna go to the Alexa app, finish my activation. Once I finish the activation through the Alexa app, I'll be able to listen. Okay guys, so I paired them with the Alexa app now. First impression of how they feel in my ear. I think these are a little bit bigger rubber cups than I like, because I feel like they could fall out a bit. So I might be the type to get the smaller version in there. But they include several for a perfect fit. They provide really good noise cancellation so far. So I'm liking that about the echobuds. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and play a song. Right away, the quality of the echobuds is pretty impressive. With these echobuds, I'm having a hard time hearing myself, but the driver is really strong on these. I'm getting a good quality bass, I'm getting good mids and pretty good lows. I'm actually very surprised. The echobuds are really good for the price, and on top of that, I feel like I have a studio quality earbud. In fact, I recently reviewed the Beats Studio earbuds. Check that out on the channel. These sound pretty good in comparison to that, so which is impressive, because you could get these for about $69 right now to $89 on sale with Amazon Black Friday's deal. The case itself is really good. The sound quality is very impressive. I'm gonna switch to a rap song to get more bass and give you an idea of how the bass sounds with the rap song, and let's take a look at that. Okay, so I'm playing a rap song. The bass is really clear. I am very impressed with the echobuds, guys. I would actually purchase the echobuds myself, especially at the 50% discount. I feel like these are about $150 earbuds in terms of quality. If you could get them on sale with Amazon, do it. They feel great in the ear. They're sweat resistant. They are just truly good sound quality for the price. I would say they're better than the Tozos that I reviewed. I would say they're a step below the AirPod Pros, or nearly on the same level, but for the price, these are better. The only thing I like about the AirPod Pros or the Apple products is that if you have an iOS device, it's just a little bit better in terms of pairing. It's seamless. But if you use a lot of Alexa or Amazon, these are the ones to go with, or if you're even on an Android platform. So the seal in the ear, the noise canceling is working great. They deliver some premium quality sound. I'm telling you, these are really good. In terms of the battery, I wouldn't say these are the best battery earbuds available. I think that 20 hours is pretty much a standard earbud time. There are some other brands out there that offer more battery life, but for this price, they are one of the top out there. Now, the recent earbuds coming out, you get about an hour of playtime with a 5-minute charge. With these, a 15-minute charge gives you 2 hours of playtime. So they don't charge as fast as some of the other brands. However, I'm pretty sure that if you charge these for an hour, you'd still probably get about 40 minutes or so in playtime with the echobuds too. In terms of weight, these feel much, I wouldn't say they're heavier, but they feel a lot bigger than the AirPods case. They sound great. I would say they sound better than the original AirPods or the AirPods 2. They're on par with the AirPods 3. They don't have spatial audio, but the noise canceling is great, especially if you're traveling. All right, let's make a phone call with these guys and let's see how they sound, okay? Because that's a big thing for me, is phone calls as well. I think a lot of us use our earbuds for phone calls, sometimes even more than music. So I'll call the office.
Hey Simon, what's up?
Hey Yuri, what's up? I'm testing the echobuds 2. They sound pretty good in music. How do I sound in terms of the audio?
All right. You sound good.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's, you know, they kind of very similar to any earbuds that have the rubber cup around them to kind of give you the noise canceling. I sound muffled when I'm speaking, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. Usually with these, I take off my earbud on one end and then I talk. But I sound great, huh?
Nice and clear.
Okay. Well, you sound good too in terms of quality. Thanks for taking the call.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
All right, so I hung up with him. Again, just reiterating, the echobuds sound about the same. Anytime you have an earbud with a rubber cup, you sound muffled. You know, your ears and nose sound a little bit hallwayish. So I don't like that feature when you have earbuds that have this type of feature, the rubber cup without transparency mode, which is what the Apple AirPods Pro have. These are great. I wouldn't say they're the best for phone calls. For listening to music and audiobooks, probably excellent. For working out, pretty good as well. So I give these a thumbs up. I mean, these are probably a 8 out of 10 in my opinion because of the price and because of the quality. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Definitely check out that echobuds 2. The echobuds 2 currently on Amazon are on sale for 50% off. You can't go wrong getting these guys. I would definitely recommend it. They sound great, they feel great. The case is a nice modern matte black. I love it. It's not too girthy in comparison to some of the other cases, and overall they're great earbuds, so you can't go wrong with them, especially for that price. If you enjoy this review, the biggest favor you could do for us is hitting that like button. It blesses us in the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to our channel as well if you haven't done so already, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you here in the next video.